Good morning, East Duplin High School. It is Tuesday, January 19th, 2021. That's right, I said Tuesday, not Monday. Yesterday was Monday. That makes today Tuesday. So we got for this week, next driver's ed class has been postponed, not canceled, but postponed to begin February 1st. This particular class has already filled, but there should be another class following soon after this one ends. We just don't know the time or date for that second class, but keep your ears open for more information concerning these classes. Congratulations to our December Student of the Month, Mr. Peyton Kennedy. Peyton's teacher said he's been a rock star during this difficult time in school. He's truly been an asset during Google Meets and with general online learning. He communicates with his teachers regularly and is sincere and respectful in his attempt to help others. Peyton's very smart and motivated. Congratulations, Peyton. I also want to recognize our cross-country team today. With such an unusual year that they've done quite well. The girls actually have won every meet this year except for the last one, which they only lost by 1 point. This year's seniors were Lucas Brown, Angel Sarmiento, Laney Smith, Joshua Spray, and Carson Westerby. Great job to our cross-country team for representing our school so well this year. The following students will have a birthday this week: Christian Benitez, Caden Chestnut, Jesus Medina, Caitlin Smith, Eric Houston, Benito Juarez, Summer Lanier, Eric Roblero, Connor Kennedy, Kaylee Price, Juliana Velasquez, Nicholas Cavanaugh, Michael Diaz, Nikesha Ivory, Eric Sandoval, Holden Thigpen, Chaz Thompson, Isabel Gamboa, Kaylin Record, and Zion DeLeon. If you see any of these students, be sure to wish them all a happy birthday. That's it for this week's announcements as far as I know. I hope everybody has a wonderful Tuesday and a wonderful rest of the week.